Another front clip example brought to you by Jared at Weber Brothers. This is a 2024 Hyundai Elantra complete front end. This one is also slated for customer pickup. And this is the state that the customer will find it in when they get here. If we're shipping it to you, it would be a complete separate expense, which constantly goes up. And it's quite an undertaking. The size of it increases by several feet, and it weighs about 1,000 pounds. But as you can see, you get both headlights, the hood, the fenders. The fender liners are sticking out, but that is just to protect them from being broken from the piece that's underneath it to support the rad support. We don't set them down on the rad support because it does a whole lot of damage to the cooling. But headlights, fenders, hood, bumper, grills, and then we'll go under the hood here and take a look. And under the hood, we have typical setup. We leave the cooling in place. Generally disconnect unless there's something special that we can't. We try to not cut hoses. It's not promised, but we try to do that solid and leave the hoses intact. We know everything in here is rather expensive, so do the math, add it up. A front clip is a great way to go about things. AC hoses. In that bag, you're going to find the airbox, any splash shields, hoses, anything like that that would go along with it. Again, we do our best to give you as much as we can in the pieces that we don't inventory. We don't throw things away out of spite. So if you have any questions, you're interested in a front clip like this, give me a call, 800-222-2528. My extension's 112, or you can find me on any of the social networks or through Gmail. Just search Jared Weber Bros and you'll find me. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.